Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. Many iPhone users are reporting that their iPhone randomly restart or keeps restarting after iOS 16.4 update. In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix this issue. Solution 1. Hard reset your iPhone. If you have iPhone 8, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14 series and iPhone SE second and third generation, do the following steps. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Next, quickly press and release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side or power button until you see the Apple logo. If you have iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, do the following steps. Press and hold the sleep or wake button along with the volume down button. Release once the Apple logo is shown. Solution 2. Update to the latest version of iOS. To update, open Settings app, find and tap on General, tap on Software Update. If any update is available, download and install it. Solution 3. Reset all settings. To do this, open Settings app, find and tap on General, scroll down to the bottom, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap on Reset, select Reset all settings, enter your iPhone's passcode. In the pop-up window, select Reset all settings. Again, select Reset all settings to confirm this process. Solution 4. Restore iPhone using iTunes. No data loss. iTunes Restore is a common way recommended by Apple official to solve iPhone keeps restarting. All data will get crashed after restoring. So will the software issues that cause your iPhone restarts before you restore with iTunes. Make sure your iPhone is backup. Launch iTunes on your computer and connect your iPhone with a USB cable. On the iTunes, click on your iPhone icon and look for Summary or General. After you have backed up the device, tap on Restore iPhone button and then confirm your actions by tapping Restore when prompted. Further, you can also put your iPhone into recovery mode and then restore with iTunes. Solution 5. Diagnose and fix faulty apps. Recent iOS devices have a feature called Analytics. As the name implies, it allows you to diagnose system issues and determine which of your app is causing the problem. To access this information, just go to Settings, find and tap on Privacy and Security, scroll down and tap on Analytics and Improvements. Tap on Analytic Data and then scroll. Through the entire list of apps. If you see any apps appearing in the list multiple times, that app is likely acting app and causing the problem. Updating or removing the app from your iPhone is therefore a potential solution. Solution 6. Offload unused apps. For random restarts tied to memory problem, enabling the iOS feature called Offload Unused Apps can also help. To enable this feature, go to Settings, find and tap App Store, scroll down, then tap to turn the Enable Offload Unused Apps switch on to enable automatic offloading of unused apps. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.